Hello, I'm Nigel Mason and I'm the current president of the Europlanet Society. We're here this week at our annual congress, EPSC, which is one of the largest conferences in planetary science in the world. Europlanet was an organization that was established in around about 2005 on the occasion of when European scientists had their first instruments built purely in Europe, operating in space for the first time, landing on Titan, one of the moons of Saturn. Europlanet aims to bring together all the people who are interested in planetary science, space exploration, and increasingly opportunities for exploiting space for the benefits of humankind. As well as having academic research, we're very interested in working with other groups like industry. This week we have a lot of amateur astronomers who make a lot of measurements on the planets and stars and so on, which are of interest to the general scientists. And we also do a lot of work working with political organizations and governments to try and argue for and explain what we're trying to do in planetary science and why that's beneficial to humankind. It is also a society, and we established the society in 2018. It's a membership society open to everybody, not just Europeans, anywhere in the world. And you can join at a very modest cost and therefore participate in all our activities. Those include also school-oriented events and also events related to a research infrastructure that we have, which is funded by the European Union. And at the moment, the current one, the Europlanet 2024 RI, has a budget of about 10 million. We use this money for supporting scientists in Europe to do cutting-edge research. So, for example, we send scientific teams around the world to really quite remote and exotic places that are most similar to the planets. So, for example, we go to Southern Africa, where we are looking at places that look very similar to maybe the surface of Mars. We go to Argentina, where we go to the glaciers, where they have a glacier with water underneath that looks very much like one of the moons of Jupiter, which are covered in ice with maybe a water layer underneath, because we want to understand how life might survive and grow under such conditions. In the future, we'll be going to places which, for example, are very reminiscent of the moon, so that when people go back to the moon and do experiments on the moon, we'll be able to test out equipment and maybe even how they build buildings on the moon, but we can test them out here on Earth. We also do a lot of outreach work, because obviously it's really important to tell people why we do this work and get over some of the excitement of the work that we do. And we're very privileged in this community to be able to study really outstanding, out-of-this-world type science. If you want to know more about the Europlanet Society or the Europlanet Research Infrastructure, please look at all of our websites, and please get in contact with us if you have any queries, and if you want to join us on our journey of exploring the solar system and beyond, join Europlanet Society. Thank you very much.